Ang binignit itong tilawan. Hello guys, today is April 2 and it's Friday, Byernes Santo. Sa naangdan pa murabag sa mao namang gini naangdan na gini sa una pa maghimo or magbaha gid kanunay og binignit kada Byernes Santo. So di ang among mayordoma busy kaayog slice sa mga ingredients. So later ipakita nato tanan kung unsaon paghimog binignit ha. You're going to show you how to cook or how to prepare the binignit and the ingredients. And before we proceed, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're new in my channel, consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you'll get updated in my next videos. Thank you.
Sure they can.
Ready na ang ato ang mga ingredients. So here are our ingredients. First, we have here we call it as a bilo-bilo. It is made up of glutinous rice mixed with water then formed into circles. Then we have the landang. It will also add up the flavor of the binignit nato later. And we also cook some sago. A while ago gahi pa ni siya but ato nang giluto. And we have here saging at nang slice na, and also the sweet potato kamote, and ang atong coconut later ato anang kuhaan ng gata. So ato nang kuhaan ng buhaton unya, and also of course the sugar. We're using a brown sugar. Mas lami ang lasa niya kung brown sugar. So that's it. Napada we have the glutinous rice or the pilit. Ato sa ni siyang lutoon, daghan na tog sabaw. Then after ini kabukalaan ni taod-taod, ato nang ibutang mix na the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so ato nang itakaang ang glutinous rice or ang pilit. Now while waiting for this one to cook, ato sagkuhaan og gata ang lubi. So atong buhaton, let's just add a little water and kumut-kumuto nato ang lubi para mo gawas ang gata niya. So na-extract na nato ang gata, mao ni siya ang first extraction process. Mao ni siya ang una nga gata niya, murag a little pure pa ni siya. So atong buhaton kadahaon nato siya kuhaan og gata. So this is the second process na, second extraction na nato, and kaning ikaduha mo oy una natong ilunod. So ready na ang ato ang pilit. Luto na to ang pilit. Itong buhaton karon. What we're going to do now is to put the gata. So mo ni ay ikaduhan natong gikumutan. Ay ikaduhang gata. And then let's let this one to boil. Wait for this one to boil, and then after boiling we're going to put the rest of the ingredients one at a time. And nauna ning finished product sa ato ang binignit. Itong tilawan. Lamig lang? 1 to 10 lang. Okay. Overall, it was successful and lami kayo ang among nahimo nga binignit. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.